Welcome to Statics Lectures by Civil Thinking, and today we are going to see another concept, that is contact force and normal force in the series of equilibrium of rigid bodies. For better understanding, I suggest you to please watch the video lectures on equilibrium of rigid bodies in sequence so that you understand better. The playlist link is in the description, or also you can click on the pop-up on your screen. Contact force and normal force. Now let us see what is a contact force. Okay, now contact, you know this word, it means when two bodies come in contact. Okay, they touch each other. Okay, that means they come into contact, right? Now for example, if you have this wall or a surface, okay, this is floor and this is the surface of the floor, and there is a table on it, right? Something like this. There is a table on it. Excuse my handwriting. Now this table is resting on the floor, right? Now because the table came in the contact of this floor, this table, the leg of the table, it came in the contact here, right? It came in the contact to the floor surface. Okay, now there will be some force. Why? Because of this contact. Okay, so contact forces, it is force which exists because two bodies came into contact with each other, right? So if there is no contact, there is no contact force. Okay, if there is no contact, there is no contact force. Okay, now there is another concept, and that is normal force or normal reaction. Now normal force, it is also contact force. Okay, normal force is also contact force. Now let me explain here. Now let's say this is the floor. Okay, there is a body sitting on the floor. Okay, like this. Okay, now it is sitting on this floor. Now there is some weight of this body, right? Let weight be W. Okay, now this floor, according to the Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, so the floor will exert back a force on it, right? A reaction force against W. Okay, this will be also equal to W because the reactions is equal but opposite to the applied force. Okay, the applied force is W, so the reaction against it is W2 but opposite to this. Okay, so this, if this body, if it was not in contact with the floor, there would have been no this W, right? There would have been no reaction force, right? We call this as reaction force. Okay, now this reaction force came into existence only because this body touched the floor, right? And it is always perpendicular to the surface, normal to the surface. Okay, perpendicular means normal. Normal means at 90 degrees. Okay, because it is at 90 degrees to the this floor surface, that's why it is known as normal reaction. Okay, so this normal force or normal reaction, it is also a contact force, but at 90-degree, right? 90-degree means normal to the surface. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can comment. See you in the next class. Thank you.